We just completed a Barracuda Virtual Reactor training program in a web-based format. And joining us today is Dr. Kit Windows-Yule from the University of Birmingham. Kit, can you tell us a bit about yourself and how we came to work together, culminating in the web-based training?
So I'm a physicist slash chemical engineer working at the University of Birmingham, as you said, and a lot of my current research involves looking at fluidized bed reactors with a particular view to creating improved plastic recycling processes, which of course in the modern world when we've got the climate crisis going on is quite a big deal. And in Birmingham we have some excellent experimental setups. We can do positron emission particle tracking, which is ideal for looking at these systems experimentally. But the problem comes in when you want to actually simulate this system, because these are very complex processes involving various temperature fluctuations, chemical reactions, a heck of a lot of different input parameters. So as much as it pains me to say, I didn't feel like building this kind of a model from scratch, and I thought it would be better to use something pre-built, as it were.
Okay, great. And why did you choose to pursue the use of virtual reactor compared with other general purpose CFD?
So we looked at a wide variety of general purpose CFDs, which the liability reasons I won't name here. And the short answer is I was very impressed by the software. I thought that the Lagrangian Euler was a lot better than doing a kind of pure CFD to fluid model kind of approach. And I think the thing that really swung it for me was talking to the people who sell the software and create the software, who didn't just understand their own software, they also understood the kind of simulations that I wanted to run. They understand the fluidized bed systems. And it meant that I felt much more confident that this piece of software would be able to do what I needed it to.
Oh, thanks, Ben. So how did the training go for your team?
Excellently is the short answer. So both of them seemed to genuinely really enjoy learning how to use Barracuda. Both of them spoke effusively about it with me every day during the training. And as soon as it was finished, I got sort of all over the next couple of days. Even though it was a weekend, I had them pinging images and videos created using the virtual reactor to me. So I was very impressed. They seemed to pick it up extremely quickly, and they're now using it on the proper projects.
That's great. Yeah. So anything else you'd like to share with anyone considering working with us?
A couple of things, really. I think firstly, the thing that blew my mind a little bit was the speed of these simulations. I'm used to working with discrete element modeling and simple CPUs in series, and the kind of speeds we were getting here were, to put it simply, I'm used to waiting days or weeks for simulations. So the fact that my student emailed me one through, told me it took him a couple of minutes to run, was absolutely mind-blowing to me. Maybe I'm just old-fashioned. And the second thing that has been really positive is I've been massively impressed by the responsiveness of the whole team. If we've had a problem, they will fix it immediately. If we want to know something, they'll get back to us extremely quickly. I couldn't speak highly enough of the whole operation, to be honest.
Well, thanks so much. We really appreciate that.